Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean with me. Today I am tackling my to-do list. I have a few tasks that I need to do and I thought I would take you with me. So if you are wanting some cleaning motivation today, either pop me on your phone, your TV or your laptop, take me around with you, or maybe you want to sit down and have a hot cup of coffee to get that motivation. But I am happy to have you with me today as I conquer my to-do list, and I am going to stop chatting and let's get cleaning. Today's clean with me, I am starting off in the kids' bathroom. It's not that bad, just a bit of soap scum, and I am going to Windex the shower screen today. I picked up some Windex in my grocery shop. I haven't used it for ages, and can I say I've used it in my clean today, and I don't know why I stopped using it because it works a treat. But I'm just going to give everything a wipe over with the Method antibacterial spray, and I also use the Barkeeper's soft cleanser cream in the bathtub. I was sent this probably a year and a half ago, and I haven't really used it much, and then I thought it would be great to use in the bath and when we get our farmhouse sink put in. But I hope you guys are doing well. Comment below, tell me how your week's been, if you're up to anything exciting or any renos or anything like that. I'd love to hear what you're all up to.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low-key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, is there really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now.
The other day I did a deep clean in Olivia's bedroom. I didn't actually film it, but when I cleaned her mirrors, they came up really foggy and kind of like a slimy feel. I'm not sure. I think I may have sprayed wood cleaner on the glass. So I decided to give the Windex a go and see how it turned out, if the fogginess on the mirror went away, and it did. The Windex has worked amazing. I'll definitely be continuing to use Windex.
But you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your
If you are into self-help books, this is the book. Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King. You may have already read it. Comment below if you have, but oh my goodness, I love this book. I just find it so positive and uplifting. If you are into manifestation and positive thoughts, then it's definitely the book for you. I just absolutely loved it. It honestly was a really great book to read. But here I am now just dusting everything over with the eCloth dusting cloth, and I'm not using any sprays or anything like that. I'm just giving it a dust over, and I am using the Windex spray obviously on the mirror here. This is my little yoga space that I created. I hide my little yoga mat and my Google Home behind that mirror, but I just love this little calming space. I come in here and meditate, especially before school mornings, just to make myself calm and write in my daily gratitude book. But that is one thing I took from 2020, was more focusing on myself and my self-care, so I could be a better mum and a better wife. But I'm just going to give everything a dust over, and I'm going to be totally honest here with you. I have not dusted in here for a while, but I was just sharing with you that what are they called? Diffuser sticks. I got it at TK Maxx, and I've actually got the candle in here as well. It's in stimulating cinnamon and invigorating ginger. If you are in TK Maxx or TJ Maxx and you find this Pecksniff brand, definitely grab yourself one. It smells absolutely amazing. But I'm rambling here, so I will pop off and play some more music.
Pretend that I'm not here. All I seek is some honesty, a stray of light in my darkest fears. just enough to waste every bit of ice. I can hear your thoughts loud and clear. You don't have to say a thing, my dear. Pretend that I'm not here. All I seek is some honesty, a stray of light in my darkest fears. I know you know, I know, yeah. You don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. You don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. My love, oh my love, oh my love. Lucky me, I have thick skin, else I'm sure I would give in, fall apart, let you go and break my heart. Lucky me, I have thick skin, else I'm sure I would give in.
That is it for today's video. I hope it gave you all the cleaning motivation that you needed today. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. Come and say hi in the comments too. I love hearing from you all. And if you are after any more cleaning motivation today, then definitely click on the playlist just below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!